Hey, it's me. As we can see, I'm literally sitting crouched down by my bed because I'm afraid to show you the rest of my room. Because it's one of those videos again. I know, you're probably thinking, what the heck? Alora, you do this too much. But I do. And there's no shame in the game, okay? There's no shame in the game. I'm literally just like, I literally, I just can't. And like, I mean, I can do anything I put my mind to, but knowing that I have to keep my room clean, it's just like, it's like the biggest mental game I've ever played ever in myself. Like, are you serious? Like, it's probably the hardest thing I've ever had to do. Like, I tell myself I'm gonna keep it clean, and then I never keep it clean. So, I'm setting a new goal. I think I said that the last time I posted a cleaning video, that I'm gonna work on keeping it clean. And then I never even tried. Well, I tried. It worked. For a while, it worked. And then something changed. So, yeah. I'm in a reading slump. Let me first say that. I'm on Onyx Storm. I have 100 pages left, but I heard that it's sad at the end. And I heard it leaves you off on a cliffhanger, and I'm not mentally prepared for that yet. Clearly, that's why I stopped. And I haven't read in about 2 weeks. I finished a book in between Onyx Storm. That's how you know it was so boring. It's not even boring, it's just like slow, but and they just like, in the book, it's just like a overload of information and it's just overwhelming. So I'm just taking a break, but it's been 2 weeks, so I need to hop on that. And then I have a bunch of books I need to read in my TBR still. I'm not even at 20 books yet this year. I really want to read 34 books. But we'll get there when we get there. But my room is a disaster. It's a mess, actually. Yeah. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This might be a 2-day thing. I'm unsure yet. I probably will make it a 2-day thing because I have laundry in the washer. And we all know how that is with me, guys. We all know what it looks like when I do laundry. I can get it done. It's just like the last thing on my list. Like, I just don't want to do it. I'm going to take some trash out right now. I'm also going to be filming another video tonight, I think. I'm really getting out of a reading slump. I'm just going to film as much as I can tonight after I write my essay that's due Monday morning. It's my last contention for my debate class. Hey guys, so it's like later on. It's like days later, but I think you guys can hear my fan, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know how to make it so my mic can only hear me, but maybe it's drowning it out a little better than if I wasn't using the mic. I'm about to do some yoga, but yeah. So this won't be out until next week because I'm taking a week off because tomorrow's Wednesday. I would have had this posted maybe like Saturday, but I kind of just post when I want to post. But I've been trying to do Monday, Wednesdays, but I think I'm going to change my days to a different day because I can't do Monday and then back-to-back Wednesday unless, well, I mean, I could, but it would just mean that like throughout the week I'd have to like make a bunch of videos and edit them. I have time now because I don't have school for a few weeks, so maybe I'll do that and then I'll change my days to like Saturdays or Sundays. But I'm about to do some yoga. I woke up from a nap. The nap was great. And then I was supposed to go out tomorrow night, but he canceled on me because supposedly transferring is too much for him. But I'm not gonna shame the guy because life is life, and rejection is redirection, and I'm not gonna be petty. I want to be the bigger person. So even if he wasn't really that into me, first of all, he could have let me know first off the bat, and so I couldn't have wasted my time. And I feel like I'm telling you guys because don't waste people's time. I know it's like so normalized with this generation of human beings, but at the same time it's just like stupid. And why are you doing that? Just be mature. I don't understand. It's just like stupid. So yeah, and my feelings are low-key kind of hurt because I was really excited to go out because he was hyping it up. He was making it like he had all these plans. Like every time I'd see him, he'd be like, oh, I'm so excited, and then he'd ask me what I'm into, and he'd be like, oh, it's a surprise though, so I can't tell you anything, but I'll pick you up. And he had a date like planned, supposedly, quote unquote, and then canceled last minute. Make it make sense. It's not adding up, but it's fine. I'm butthurt, Lokes, but like it's okay. Life goes on, and rejection's redirection, so the better is to come. Focus on me and get my bag, like I have been for a while. But it's fine, life goes on. Quite literally, it's not the end of the world. But I'm gonna play some music because I just need to get myself out of this mindset. And maybe I'll go out with people tonight because I can't do this. I can't. And I think I'm gonna start my period, and I tend to notice that every time I start my period, I cry before. I haven't cried yet, but I felt like I was gonna cry. So I got up and was like, this isn't happening. I'm not crying over whatever just happened because I'm not that hurt over it. I just know my period's gonna start. I was having cramps earlier, and then they stopped, and I know my body too well because every time I'm about to start my period, I end up having cramps days prior, and I was supposed to start it 2 days ago, but I tend to be late every month, and then it pushes back. So I think I'm gonna either start tomorrow or Thursday. Today's Tuesday, so tomorrow's Wednesday. So yeah, I could totally edit this video and get it up by tomorrow. So we'll see. If you see this on Wednesday, good, I did great. If you don't, I'm sorry. If you see this on the 21st, I did awesome. But if you don't see this on 21st, but it is posted on the 21st, why didn't you watch my video on time? But it's fine. I'll forgive you this time. But anyways, I'm going to do some yoga because yoga really makes me feel good. And that's how I really kind of get my emotions out, is into the yoga. So yeah, I've been looking into Pilates because, whoa, that sounds so fun. Or hot yoga, that sounds so fun. So yeah, I'm gonna look into that. I think I'm scared because I'm a diabetic, so it's kind of holding me back. But I need to stop letting my diabetes hold me back, because it's gonna be with me forever and ever. So I have to adapt to like new things with me being a diabetic, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna do yoga now, and you're gonna come with, so you can listen to some cool, nice music, or you might just hear my music in the back, and it's gonna end up being like every other clip. But yeah, thanks for listening to me rant for 4 minutes, almost 5. I'll talk to you later. What the heck? Like myself hopping, walk to the end. Trust me, it's all okay. Arch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke, that's wine. Duh. I'm going out now, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching me clean. And the next video is going to be me panicking over a book because I have it filmed. I just have it edited. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Enjoy. Ooh, that was kind of good in my mind. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Okay, I'm done. I can't sing.